Hey, welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing. Yeah, now they removed the G power and replaced it with B power. What happens when they replace it with F power? Because this thing of this whole series is F power to the max. You know what F stands for, right? Yeah, that's what this is. Is that four-letter word? Yeah. So I guess B is supposed to be battle power, considering that the other one was G power, which no one really knew what G power meant. But yeah, I mean the head's real flimsy here. I mean there is detail on this one, but having lost in just the three primary colors on here, this orange, very little green. Like there is some green in the eyes, but you can't even see it on camera. Heck, you can't even really see it in person. That's how small the green is on the eyes. You can see a little bit on what I guess is supposed to be his chest. But yeah, if we look at the actual bots, I mean, look. He's supposed to have black one around his neck, the rest of his body, and like his chest piece is supposed to have like this bone color, somewhat ivory white. This is something that if you're into models and you love painting models, you probably would have fun with this, painting this up, which is what I would recommend. Painting all the panel line in black, and then around the chest, getting like some of that ivory bone white, painted in, make it look nice, proper, the way how it should look. I mean, this one has teeth, but you can't even see the teeth because they're all, red. They didn't even bother to paint it red. And his mouth doesn't open, which this little pin right here, they could have easily made the mouth open and close. I mean, yeah. So yeah, it's a G power like, well, B power now. 200. Here's his character card. Just says Dragonoid. So it's punching Flaming Fist and green punching fist. 200B, 5, whatever type of uppercut fist. And that's really about it. And here's the back of the card. Then the Bakugan, which we had these two, which matches the ones on the card here. The Flame Fist. That's what I'm just going to call it, Flame Fist, because doesn't look like there's anything else. So we get plus 100B, which is self-explanatory, but then we get plus 4 Uppercut Fist. It's like, what is that even? And then we get this Green Fist here, which 150B plus 2 Uppercut. And then it says, I don't know how good you can see on camera here. Here, knowing of English required. Are you for real? Like, what English do you have to know? It's a Dragonoid. You take it, you roll it. If it stands, you bow, you add up the B power. Whoever has higher B power wins. Like, what English do you really need? I know some cards have text on there and stuff, but I mean, really, with these, what do these green and flame fists mean? I mean, there's not even any instructions in here how to put the Bakugan back into the ball, the little spear mode. It's just so it's, whoa, hit the core. There it is, battle form. So I'm guessing we probably put the hands and stuff like this. I don't know, I'm just playing around with it. Cause, yeah. Man, you take that and you do one side first. I don't know. To me, I say it's a piece of garbage. Maybe you close the wing, then you put the foot in, and then the hand, and then the head, and then the other hand, the other. Pretty much just call it just F around with it, and eventually you get into this, because, yeah, this is horrible. I mean, it doesn't look that bad when it's in this mode, but let's see if we can get it to, whoa, and, wow, I mean, like, literally, it's going right over the cores, which the cores is supposed to be the little activation thing, because there's no cards activation. Like, literally, the only way to really get this to go from spear mode into, dragon mode, or it's creature mode, is to actually take it and try to drop it on there, or just take it and put it on there like that. Because you try rolling this, you'll be there for like a half hour trying to get one to roll. Well, this took less than a half hour to get it to roll, but I mean, yikes, that is just horrible. The magnets are not even that strong anymore. And you gotta be really, really, really close to get it. I mean, I would take a fridge magnet, which will work way better than this. This is just horrible. Oh, if you buy the Bakugan cards that, is supposed to support it, that you've seen before if you check out that playlist. Yeah, they are completely different cards. I mean, this stuff is all the same, but on the back end, this one kind of looks somewhat like the original one with the color scheme, but this one has all the Bakugan elements on there, like the original one. So, and the original kind of like symbol almost. This one kind of shows the core symbol, which it's oddly strange and weird. So you have cards that come with the Bakugan, which is nothing like the support cards, which, yeah, it's completely messed up in the head. Whoever designed this needs to go back to square one, watch the original Bakugan, see how those ones were done, see how the toys were done, and redo it. Because, I mean, number one, we need instructions on how to fold your Bakugan up. Of course, they're going to say, hey, go to the Bakugan official YouTube channel and watch how it is. Yeah, but the YouTube channel does not have every single Bakugan that they made. And show, okay, you just take it, you fold it up, kind of hold it together, do this, ask 10 of your friends to borrow their hands and fold it up until everything snaps in place, or it just snaps apart completely in half that you have to use model glue, which is what this almost feels like. And oh yeah, the Bakugan cores don't even work unless you, actually take the Bakugan and drop it on there like that. Of course, that's not how you're supposed to play the game. You're supposed to roll it, but yeah. Make these cores stronger, make the card patterns on either one consistent and look the same, make the Bakugan better, more detail on the Bakugan with paint apps, instructions